Hello Year 9 Sciences, Mr. Da Silva here with the second video of the series, Plate Tectonics. In this video, we'll be defining plate tectonics. Let's go for it. And here today's essential question. What was Alfred Wegner's greatest contribution to our current understanding of plate tectonics? I encourage you to stop the video now and copy the essential question on your workbook. And lesson number 2 starts with the concept number 2. Plate tectonics is a theory that proposes that the lithosphere of the Earth is divided into a small number of plates which float on and travel independently over time. This is one of the main propositions of the theory of plate tectonics. So let's break down it even further. There is the idea that the Earth's crust and upper mantle are broken into sections called plates. Those plates move around on top of the mantle like rafts. And when we talk about plates, I pretty much have to show you how they would look like. And here you can see a breakdown of that idea. The Earth's crust divided in plates. The African plate, the South American, Indo-Australian plate, and so forth. And as you can see, some plates are located within plates, like the Arabian plate, for example. This is a typical image shown in textbooks all over the world, simpler and to the point. In this image here, you can see that the level of detail given to those plates is much greater. For example, here you have the Nazca plate and South America plate, like in the previous image, but you have a small plate between them. Also, note the situation in New Zealand. It looks like that the southern island belongs to the Pacific plate, half of the North Island belongs to the Australian plate, and the other half of the North Island belongs to a smaller plate altogether. It looks really messy there. And here's an opportunity for you to compare the pair. On the left side, a simpler version of the map presented to you in this lesson, and on the right side, a more complex version of this idea of plate tectonics created by geologists. As a young scientist that you are, you should be asking yourself, what is the evidence for all of this? That's a very good question. The evidence will be presented to you in the next lessons. The most important aspect of today's lesson is to solidify the definition of plate tectonics. And here we reach the concept 2 synthesis. The idea of continents floating like rafts over the mantle seems ludicrous at first. Without evidence, how can you blame any reasonable person for discrediting such idea? And here we are for activity number 4. Your task is to interact with the text and capture the essence of it. So we have a style up activity available to you. It's called Assessment 2.1, Sentence, Phrase, Words. This is a very short lesson and also a very short activity. Class code is available on the screen. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to send us a message. And that's the end of today's video. I really hope that you're enjoying this content. Please do not hesitate to share this video or to send me a message if you have any questions about the content. Remember, we are working together in this new phase of flexible learning here in Victoria, and we are all in this together. I'm looking forward to see you in the next one. Take care.